Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on putting TikTok videos in slow motion. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up TikTok and tap the plus icon to start creating a TikTok. Before you record, tap on the speed button from the top of the right menu bar. You now have a few different speed options. 0.5x is half of the normal speed, and 0.3x is a third of the normal speed. Tap on the speed you would like to record in and then record your video like normal. Your video has now been recorded in slow motion. Upload it as normal. It is also possible to make a video from your camera roll slow motion. To do this, go back to the Create screen and tap Upload to the right of Record. Then choose the video from your gallery that you would like to post in slow motion and tap Next. Then, on the first editing screen, tap on the speed button at the bottom of the page. Again, you can change it to 0.5x, which will be half of the normal speed, or 0.3x, which will be a third of the normal speed. Tap Next and then edit your video like normal, and then post it like normal and it will be in slow motion. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.